Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. I'm Jessa and you are watching English Mantra. So my dear students, as you can see, we are studying transformation of sentences. And transformation, what is the meaning of transformation? So in the previous video we have learned the definition and we have also see how to change, how to transform sentences. So here I have come to teach you how to interchange of degree of comparison. Okay, so we will learn how to transform a sentence by interchanging the degree of comparison. We can change a sentence, okay, by interchanging the degree of comparison also. So let's see the methods. So dear, very first let's see types of degree. So dear, degrees are three types. The first one positive degree, second one comparative degree, and the third one superlative degree. So let's see how can we identify whether the given degree is positive, comparative or superlative. We have some certain keywords. So I have mentioned in the bracket the keywords. So dear, suppose that you have a sentence and the sentence contain the keywords like as or so as. The sentence must be known as positive degree. And in comparative degree we have keywords than, than, and after that we have adjective, and that adjective follow or take suffix er, or the adjective is followed by prefix more. Okay, so if you have this structure in the sentence, so you can say the sentence is comparative degree. Okay, now see the superlative one. Superlative degree always takes the adjective and the adjective takes suffix est, or the adjective is followed by the prefix most. Is that clear? Okay. So you can identify the degrees with the help of these keywords. That is why I have mentioned just before them. So let's see how to interchange a degree, okay, of comparison. So dear, in exams we have positive degree and we are asked to change into comparative degree. Okay, we have positive degree, we can change it into superlative degree. So dear, we are going to study how to change a positive degree into comparative. So dear, very first I am going to tell you when the comparison between only two person or two things. When we have comparison between two person or two things. Okay, okay. So we have a sentence, he is as intelligent as his brother. So we can say we are making comparison between he and his brother. Are you getting me? Okay. And you know there is as and as. So as that is a positive degree. So this is a positive degree. And you are have to change into comparative degree. Change into comparative. Okay, you have to change into comparative. So dear, when you have comparison between two person, then I am going to tell you a trick. Suppose that we have comparison between he and his brother. So dear, just imagine this is the first subject and this one is the second subject. Okay dear, when we have comparison between two person, then this is the first subject and this is the second subject. Okay, whenever you change a positive degree into comparative, we interchange the both person, both subject. Subject second will come very first, then we write helping verb that is given, and if the sentence is affirmative, then we use negative not. Then we use adjective, and after that we mention suffix er or more. Then we use than, and after that we use subject first. Okay, so this is the structure, this is a trick to change a positive degree into a comparative one when we have comparison between two person or two things. Okay, suppose that you are asked to change this one into comparative. So very first you will write subject second. So what is the subject second? His brother. So you will mention his brother. Then you will mention helping verb that is given is. Then you mention not because there is no not. Then adjective. What is adjective? Intelligent. So adjective intelligent is followed by prefix more. More intelligent. Then we use than, and after the subject first. So what is subject first? That is he. So now I have changed the sentence into comparative. His brother is not more intelligent than he. Okay, sir? Let's see one more example for you. Hockey. Cricket is as popular as football. Okay, so you can see we have as. So as this structure is positive degree. Now there is comparison cricket and football. We have comparison between cricket and football. So cricket is the first subject and football is the second subject. Now you have to change into comparative. So how you will change? Very first you will write subject second. So what is subject second? That is football. So you will mention here football. Then helping verb is, this is affirmative sentence. So when you change a affirmative sentence into comparative, we use not. Okay, then we use adjective. So popular is followed by prefix more popular. Okay, after that we use then we use subject first. So what is subject first? That is cricket. Okay, sir? Okay, so I hope you have got this all ideas that I have shared with you. Okay, so I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. Okay, note down. Okay, dear. So I hope you have noted down these all points. So dear, suppose that the positive sentence is negative already. If the positive sentence is negative already, then what you will do? Okay, dear. Suppose that we have example. Neha is not so wise as Priya. So dear, suppose that this is a negative sentence. So dear, all the concept will be same. You will write subject second first, helping verb, but we don't use not. Okay, we remove not. If the positive degree is negative, so when you change into comparative, we do not use not. Okay, and all the other changing will be as usual. So you can change the sentence into comparative here. Very first you will write subject second. So subject second is Priya is. Then we use adjective. So that is wise, and why is take suffix er, wiser than. What is subject first? Subject first is Neha. Okay, Priya is wiser than Neha. Okay, one more example. Okay, one more example. Mohan is not so strong as Sohan. So you can see this is a negative sentence. As, so as, this is a keywords of positive sentence, positive degree. Now you have to change into comparative. So what you will write first? Sohan is. Now adjective. So what is adjective? Strong. We use er, stronger, suffix. After that we use than, then subject first. So what is subject first? That is Mohan. So you will write here Mohan. Sohan is stronger than Mohan. Okay. So dear, I hope you have got these all points very well. Okay. Okay. So note down these all examples.